Today, I eat dinner at an IKEA restaurant in Taiwan, and I show you what you can eat for a total of $16. I've never eaten at an IKEA restaurant in the UK, so I thought I'll go and get some dinner in an IKEA restaurant in Taiwan. Now, you can't go through the main entrance, but you have to go all around through the store. So I'm going to take a shortcut and follow these signs straight up, and I'm going to show you some food and see how much it is and if it's value for money. Let's go. Now, as you see, I got quite a lot of food here, just so I can show you examples of everything and how much they cost. And I'm going to do my best to try and eat as much as I can and not waste it. But to start with, I was able to get a dark beer. So these are available I'm here at lunchtime. And by the way, I didn't think it would be so busy at lunchtime during the week, but it is absolutely rammed full of people. So I've got a dark lager beer which was on offer. I'm just looking at the bill here. I'll tell the full cost of everything at the end, just to leave a little bit of suspense. But this beer was on offer, and it looks like it was 50 NT, so you're looking at about £1.20. And this is a Allmark Lager, dark lager beer. And you know what? It tastes pretty good as well. I did also get a refillable drink. So the refill drink are under £1. So I'm talking about £1, but I'm going to do the currency, as you can see, and to change it into dollars as well. So we're looking about 80p. Refill sparkling water or fizzy drinks like Pepsi or iced tea as well. And the raspberry flavour is very good. Onto the main course, the menued one. So what I've done, I selected a main course from the menu, and then just a few random itemized objects which you will see. Now this is the Japanese plant-based rice, vegetable rice. So this came to around £3.40. I think that's right. Yeah, around £3.40. So you got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plant balls. You got some sauce. Let me try what the sauce is like. Like Japanese curry sauce on the plant balls. Not bad actually. A little bit of vegetable, as you can see here, broccoli, carrot, and then 2 dollops of rice. Now, I did ask if the rice had any fish or seafood in. They said it did not. They said it only has a little bit of seaweed in, which wasn't great, but I wanted it. So I'm just hoping that it's not too overpowering with the seaweed. Let's give it a try. If it is, I'm going to have to put the sauce and mix it into it. And yeah, unfortunately, the seaweed taste is quite noticeable. Let me give it a try with a plant ball, with the sauce and a bit of rice. Yeah, the sauce does hide the seaweed flavour slightly, which is good. Now the fries, my mum and dad say the fries here are awesome. I'm not a fries fan, but look, if someone gives me fries, I'm going to eat them, right? These are coated in some kind of, not spicy, but lightly, don't even know what you call it, a light spicy coating. Okay, not spicy like chili, it's going to burn your throat, you can't handle it. And they're okay. I know I'm going to feel like crap after it, but once you start eating these, yeah, they're difficult to put down. And as you saw, you got a range of mustard and tomato sauce, salt and pepper as well. So I've got a load of mustard here, which is very good. And you can buy from IKEA itself if you want to take it home. Moving on now to the vegetable, I don't even know what it's called. It was called like a vegetable medallion or something. And basically it's a mixture of butter, vegetable and potato. Now I've had one of these before. Really nice. You can taste the butter in it, really creamy with the butter. And this came in at under £1, so again you're looking around 80p, which isn't bad whatsoever. 80p, closer to 90p. Okay, let's call it 90p. Okay, now on my plate of other randomized things, I've got 2 fish fillets, which is basically just like battered fish finger. Okay, I'm not expecting much from this. Really greasy. For me, not enough meat in it. I'm not a great fish lover. Definitely not a seaweed lover. But it's okay. It is just like fish finger, but a little bit slimmer. Fish fillet for 2 is 55 NT, so you're looking around £1.20, and that gets 2 of them. Onto the chicken wings now. The chicken wings are again £1.20, you get 2 pieces. Now, when I come here for coffee or breakfast in the morning, I tend to secretly and quietly laugh at people having these for breakfast. They look like they've been out for 3 or 4 days. But look, people love it, okay? And as you can see, so far, the value for money is not bad whatsoever. I'd rather have spicy buffalo wings. Let's give it a go. Not bad, to be honest. The skin is actually done quite nice. Yeah, not bad. Look, they've got this kind of a small sense of tangy stuff going on with the fries and chicken wing. Get on to the part I've been waiting for. As you can see, I haven't eaten all my fries yet because I just want to show you this. Looks like the raspberry crumble cheesecake, which was let me see, 60, 150, around £1.70. Okay, you saw the range of desserts. Got a load of chocolate cake. I should have gone for the Malteser crumble cake thing, but this looks more appealing. Let's give it a go here. Now, obviously, this is pre-frozen. So you work in the catering industry. In my past years, I know these things. You can tell it's not fresh, but it's not bad. For the price, it's bloody good. Yeah. And again, you see people coming in and having this for breakfast at like 10 a.m. Unreal. So that's the Taiwan IKEA dinner finished. Now, all of that cost in total £12.50. Now, there's two sides to this. You might think, amazing, great value for money for what you had. Possibly what I bought, I didn't eat it all, but what I bought is enough for two people, okay? If you're taking someone out a date to the IKEA restaurant, you got two meals there for £12.50. However, for me, in Taiwan or most countries in Asia, I would rather use that £12.50 to get traditional food, which is probably going to be nicer, or not probably, for me, again, personal opinion, it is nicer, cheaper, and you get a lot more. So it just doesn't make sense to me. However, look, for what I had, it was all right. It was just, more fashionable, stylish junk food, to be honest. But everybody loves it here. The restaurant is full from when it opens until when it closes, the weekday, the weekend. And personally, I'd rather go to Taiwan buffet anytime. But look, the staff are nice, it's clean. You got a lot of flexible options if you want. I mean, look at the menu, it's something there for everyone, as my dad will always say. And again, just looking at the value for money aspect from, again, my opinion, the hot pot meal, the last video what I made, okay? Another £12.50, I could have had one of them with all the Haagen-Dazs and quality beef and all the chicken and all the fresh seafood and everything. Or I could have gone to my favourite restaurant, which is in the link in the description, just for another £12.50. So when you put it next to that, for me, it's not value for money. However, when you look at it itemized, specifically, if you want to go there, especially for Taiwanese to get some Western style food, it is good value. It's just left me feeling a little bit dirty, a little bit heavy, a little bit full, a little bit yucky, a little bit greasy, not active. But it was worth it just to give you a look and experience an IKEA dinner in Taiwan. Thank you for watching, like always. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. All the views, all the comments, everything's much appreciated. Stay cool.